Want to talk what in pastor they do, which is not good. My brethren, we call pastor, reverend, bishop, prophet, call them. That thing where Satan tell Jesus do, Jesus say no, he never do. Because Satan tell Jesus, make him turn stone to bread. Stone those stone to bread. But today, pastors, reverend, bishop, prophet, call them. Now waiting then they do now. Some they buy big motor, then do investment. They get plenty money. They get the fat. Now waiting then they do today. That is why waiting this pastor they do. Because Satan tell Jesus, use this stone, make bread. Jesus say no, he no coffee do that. Now the congregation he say turn them, send them, make them put money, then do. He go they get money from them. He go they make wealth. And now what thing they do now? Then carry congregation because they make money.